Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video I'll be making some Caribbean spicy shrimp burgers. Let's go through our ingredients. So I've got some deveined shrimp. This is 1.5 pounds. I've got some ginger, shallot, garlic. I've got some hot pepper, some sweet pepper, thyme, scallions or green onions. I've got some ground pimento, some lime. I'll be using the juice of half of a lime, and I've got some jerk seasoning. I'm going to season the shrimp or prawns, we call them here in the UK. I've got some Old Bay, just gonna sprinkle some on. You can use salt and pepper if you want. I've got some lemon pepper and some complete. Gonna give this a stir. Our shrimp is seasoned. I'm just gonna chop up our veggies, a rough chop. I'm putting them in the food processor. I'm just going to take the seeds out because we'll be adding some jerk seasoning as well, and 1 pimento pepper or seasoned pepper. This is frozen because that's how I keep them, but that's gonna get all chopped up, so that is okay. That's all fresh seasoning, so we're just gonna add in a few shrimp, maybe about 1/3 of the amount, just to form a little paste, and then we'll add in our remaining shrimp and pulse it because we want it to have some texture to it. Guys, make sure in between you stop to scrape the sides down. So that is our little paste here. We're just going to add in the remaining of our shrimp. Okay guys, our mixture is done. We are transferring this over to a glass bowl. Guys, we're gonna add now our jerk seasoning. This is the hot and spicy one, so you don't want to use too much. Well, depending on how much heat that you love. 1 teaspoon or so. Also gonna squeeze in some lime juice. In some ground pimento, about 1/2 teaspoon. Just mix this together. You can see pieces of shrimp as well. Gonna add 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs and some black pepper. I've got a burger press. You can make these whatever size you wish. I'm going to put these in the fridge for about 15 to 30 minutes just to set before I cook them. Well, I'm only cooking one actually. The others I'll be freezing like I do all my other burgers. Guys, that's our shrimp burger. We on our last one. I made this one thicker because that's for our video, and I'm gonna freeze the others. I made 5 in total. all done. In the next clip, we'll be making our burger. I'm gonna do this on a grill pan, and then I think I'll do like an Old Bay type mayo, and I'll add a little bit of sour cream, and that will be our sauce for our burgers. So I will see you back in the next clip. We're just going to get ready to grill our burger. It has been sitting in the fridge. It has been more than half an hour, but I am only now making this because I feel like eating now. Got all my toppings here. I'm going to add some avocados, but I will cut that at the end. I've got tomatoes, lettuce, red onion, thyme and rosemary. That's the flavor of our grill pan. But first we're gonna do a sauce. I have some mayo. It's a 1/4 cup. Then I have 1 clove of garlic, 2 green stems of the scallion. I've got the other half of lime, so I'll be zesting it, and then I'll add maybe about 1 to 2 teaspoons of lime juice. And then I've got some Old Bay and some sour cream as well. Let's mix our sauce. Garlic and scallion. Just gonna zest our lime. Just make sure you don't get any of the rind in it. Let's just squeeze about a teaspoon of lime juice. Let's add in our mayo. I'm gonna add about 2 teaspoons of sour cream, some black pepper. I'm gonna add maybe about half a teaspoon of Old Bay. This is our Old Bay mayo sauce. Gonna put this in the fridge, let it chill, and then we're gonna get started on our burger. Got our grill pan heating up. Let's just spray it with some extra virgin olive oil. Then we're gonna add just a little bit of butter. We got some rosemary and some thyme. We're just gonna flavor our pan as usual. We're gonna cook our burger for about 4 minutes on one side, then we flip it and cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, and guys, our burger has been cooking for 5 minutes. We're gonna cook it for another 4 to 5 minutes. I'm just turning the stove off, and let's go and put our burger together. I've got my toasted brioche bun. We've got our spicy shrimp burger, tomatoes, avocado, lettuce, red onions, and this is my Old Bay mayo sauce. Let's put our burger on first. We're gonna put on our Old Bay mayo sauce. Then we're gonna top it with our lettuce. Our burger is piled high. Oh, look at that. And of course we've got our little spicy shrimp burger sign. Guys, who say you cannot enjoy restaurant food at home on lockdown? That looks so good. Let's do a close-up. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let me know in the comment section if you try this recipe. You can add any kind of toppings you want, but this is just what I want to add on my burger. And the sauce, you can swap it out for something different. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up to show that you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified of when I post new videos. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!